I'm really splashing out my pudding this evening. So in there I've got sugar-free strawberry jelly, some summer fruits, and I've used a Tesco sponge finger, which I broke into pieces and soaked in rum essence and vanilla, and just poured over the granulated sugar-free jelly that I dissolved in hot water, let it set. Then on the top I've got custard, just 10 grams, and made that with some skim milk and sweetener. Let it go cold, and then I blitzed it with just half a sachet of Options white chocolate powder. So I've only used 5 grams of that, and create a creamy topping. Now I haven't got any yoghurt, so I've whisked up an egg white. So I'm just going to pile on the egg white. I'll be able to put the camera down. Okay, I'm going to finish piling on the egg white and peek it up. Okay, so I've topped the trifle with the egg white and some fennel seeds. I'm going to brown it off. I haven't used I haven't got a little blowtorch. I can't find it, so this is a heat gun. Hopefully it's like the same effect. Working quite well, isn't it? Luckily, my husband's helping do this. Oh, I've got some. It's blown off. Can you just hold it up a bit there? Pop that back. That looks good. Thank you, Darren. I just couldn't do that on my own. So how about that for an alternative? Sorry about all the noise. So it's a bit of a mad panic last minute to decide what to put on top of my tray because I've got no yoghurt. But I think that's going to be quite an exciting change. I'm very pleased with that. I'll let you know what it tastes like later.